So let's discuss a problem from GATE 2021 Physics, and this is from thermodynamics. So it is a simple problem related to the Wien's displacement law. Just a simple problem. So a light source having its intensity peak at the wavelength 289.8 nanometers is calibrated as 10,000 Kelvin, which is the temperature of equivalent blackbody radiation. Considering the same calibration, temperature of light source in Kelvin with its intensity peak at the wavelength 579.6 nanometers rounded off to the nearest integer is. So here they have provided us with a light source and it is emitting radiation. So in that the intensity peak occurs at that particular wavelength, that is 289.8 nanometers. So radiation is nothing but electromagnetic wave. Each electromagnetic wave has got its own particular wavelength and frequency. So this is emitting maximum radiation of wavelength means this is emitting a lot of this wavelength 289.8 nanometers. So it is emitting this particular wavelength more. So that is the meaning of this, and it is having a temperature 10,000 Kelvin. So if we could remember a graph between lambda and intensity. So if this is if we draw a graph between lambda, so lambda increases in this manner. So this is intensity of radiation emitted by that particular body. So for that we would have like just a simple graph like this. So like this. So what happens here is that, so as the temperature goes on increasing, so we could find a graph like this is like this. So we could have seen this graph. So this is at temperature T1. So this graph is at temperature T2. In the same manner and so on, if we go, this is the so in total how much we are having, how many 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is a graph taken at temperature T6. So if we see here, so what is happening, so as the temperature of the body is increasing, the peak is shifting towards the left hand side. So here you can see, so like this the peak, see this is nothing but peaks. So the what are all the things I'm joining, they are nothing but peaks. So this peak, this peak, this peak, this peak, like that. So here we can see the peak is shifting towards the left hand side. So here we can say that temperature T6 is greater than T1. So this is the case. So as the temperature increases, the peak is shifting towards the left hand side. We know that temperature is a form of energy. So as the temperature increases, what happens? Form of energy increases. So energy is directly proportional to frequency. So frequency increases, but it is inversely proportional to wavelength. So lambda decreases. So finally, as the wavelength decreases, temperature increases. That means as the temperature is increasing, we are getting peak at lesser wavelengths. Why means more temperature means more energy. More is the energy, more is the frequency of the radiation. More is the frequency, lesser is the wavelength. Hence the peak is shifting towards the left hand side. So this is why here we can see the peak shifting. So what is the meaning of this is, so if we see this particular graph at T1, so it is emitting, so yeah, every hot body emits radiation. Even our bodies also, depending on the temperature of our body, we also emit radiation. But that particular hot body emits a particular radiation a lot. So that is nothing but peak of that graph. So for T1 this is the peak. For T2 this is the wavelength mostly it was emitted. For T6 this wavelength is emitted a lot when compared to the others. so it just emits a group of wavelengths. So here for T1 temperature, this is the graph. So it emits wavelengths ranging from here to here. So for in this range, in the same fashion, so for T2, this is the graph. So it emits wavelengths ranging from here to here. So in this range, from here to here, it is going to emit the wavelengths. The same manner, so T6 also emits wavelengths ranging from here to this edge. So this edge we can see. So these many wavelengths, but it emits this particular wavelength a lot when compared to the others. That's why the intensity is maximum for this particular value. So that is the meaning of this question. So now based on the question, we just need to find out what is the intensity P, that temperature of light source whose intensity peak is at 579.6 nanometers, given that for 289.8 nanometers is the peak for the body of the temperature 10,000 Kelvin. So from this we can say, as the wavelength as the temperature is increasing, wavelength is shifting towards the left hand side. That means as temperature increases, wavelength decreases. That means we would have inverse relationship between lambda m and T. Lambda m is nothing but peak, where the peak occurs, wavelength at which the peak occurs. That means the wavelength which is emitted a lot, maximum amount. So lambda m is inversely proportional to the temperature. So from this we have lambda m into T is equals to constant. So this is nothing but means displacement draw. So from this we could have lambda 1 T1 is equals to lambda 2 T2. So now we need to find T2. So sending all the other terms to one side. So lambda 1 T1 by lambda m2. So now we just need to substitute the values. So here lambda m is nothing but so this is lambda m1, so 289.8, and this is lambda m2, this is lambda m2. So that one we have substituted here, and T1 is nothing but this. And now we need to find out here T2. What is T2? So on substituting all the values, here we can see 289.8 2s are is nothing but 579.6, 8 2s are 16, 1 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19. So like that if we do, so it is nothing but 2s are, so now 2 1s are 2 5s are, that means 5000. So this is the answer for this question. So the temperature of the light source is nothing but 5000. So 5000 is the answer for this problem. So here answer is 5000 Kelvin. This is the temperature of the light source. So this is the problem. So and its solution. So thank you.